Hi all. In this video, we'll try to create a tabular representation of year-wise sales comparison report. So for this, I'll be taking the help of order date column to show the year values and sales column to show the sales. So first what I will do is I will drag order date to rows. As you can see, we have these 4 years present based on this data set. So we have 2011, 2012, 2013 and 2014. Now I want to show previous year as well. So that means for 2011, the previous year will be 2010. For 2012, it will be 2011. For 2013, it will be 2012. And for 2014, it will be 2013. So that I can make a comparison report. And along with that, I want to show the sales value of those previous years. So in short, we will be trying to show 4 columns: year, sales, previous year, and sales of the previous year. So now for this 2 columns like previous year and sales of previous year, we'll be creating calculated fields. So let's first create calculated field as previous year. And we know that if we use year function, we can extract year from a particular date column. So I'll be using year function, and inside that I will be passing the column that is order date, and I will subtract 1 from it because I want to extract the previous year. So if year is 2011, so it will be 2011 minus 1, that is 2010. So I'll click on apply and OK, and I'll convert this to dimension. Similarly, I will create one more calculated field, and here I will try to show previous year sales. So for this, I'll be taking the help of a function called lookup function. Now in that, we pass 2 arguments. The first argument will be our measure. So we are using sum of sales over here, comma, and the second argument is the offset. Now what is this offset? Now offset is nothing but the number of rows from the current row. Now in this case, I will be giving the offset as -1. The reason is, let's say if my current row is 2011, so the offset is given as -1. That means the number of rows from the current row is -1. That means just the previous row. So the previous row is nothing but 2010, which is not present. So in that case, the sales value will be blank. Now when I come to the next row, so now my current row is 2012. Now since I've given offset is -1, that means the number of rows from the current row is -1. That means just prior to the current row. That means just the previous row. So the previous row of 2012 is 2011, since I've given -1. If I would have given -2, then it would have been previous 2 rows. Similarly, if I give 1 or +1, it will be just the next row. If I give +2 or just 2, it will be the next 2 rows. So that is what lookup function is. Now I'll just click on apply and OK. Then I will drag measure names to filter and select sales and previous year sales. Click on apply and OK. And then I will drag measure names to columns. And at the end, I will drag measure values to text. Okay, I forgot to drag the previous year also. So let's drag previous year as well. Now, as you can see, it is showing me the sales value, but it is not showing the previous sales value. Now for that, what we need to do is we need to click on this previous year sales measure values, edit table calculation, and we need to select table down. So since it was table across, so that's why the calculation was not happening. So we need to select table down. Now as you can see, so 2011, the sales value is 2259451, and the previous year is 2010, and the previous value or the previous sales value is blank because we don't have any sales for the year 2010. Then for 2012, the previous year is 2011, and the sales value of 2012 is this 2677439, and the sales value of the previous year, that is 2011, is 2259451, which matches with this. So in this way, we can create this comparison report. So that's it from this video. Thanks everyone.